Hello everyone, my name is Reem and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do 3 transformation. Now it's not like a complete transformation. I'm just going to fix 1 or 2 things in it so they are more wearable, comfortable and also maybe stylish. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Now first is this jumpsuit. Now I really don't like the bottom of it and the straps are so tight that it hurts my shoulder.
Firstly, we are going to fix the strap. I am seam ripping it, but you can directly cut it out. I am also marking where the old strap was, so it is easy to attach the new one. Measuring from this line, I marked 6 inches downwards, of which 1 inch is seam allowance. Fold it so we can have even sides. Now to hem the bottom, double fold it and close it with a straight stitch. Separate the bottom part and also open the inner leg seam. I'm directly cutting it because I'm very lazy to open it. Folding it and cut it from the middle straight, and then repeat the process again. We will need 4 pieces for straps. For making the strap, fold it right sides together and close down the opening. Similarly, do it for the other parts as well. Turn all the straps inside out and iron it. Pin and place all the straps on the marking. Attach it with a zigzag stitch. And you're done!
The straps are 30 inches long and instead of cutting it short, I thought it would be a good idea to tie a double knot so it would look like a flower.
Moving on to the next one.
Now I really love these pants very much. They are very comfortable but they are a little short and whenever I walk, sit या मैं कुछ भी करूँ वो अपने आप ही थोड़ा ऊपर आ जाता है, which is very uncomfortable because it's already short and वो ऊपर से और ऊपर आ रहा है. And secondly, the pockets are so small that it even can't fit my phone in it.
So first we are going to fix the pocket. I'm just opening up the pockets. Now, if you have a matching color fabric, then go for it, but I am just using black here. Place it like so underneath your pocket. Mark your pockets on it and cut out this part. Pin everything together so it is easy to attach it. Close down this part first. This is what it should look like, and then close the rest of it. This is what finally it should look like. Decide where you want to add the detailing, mark it and cut it out. Similarly, do it on the other side as well. In between, I am going to use this fabric. I have also used it before in my few videos. Measure the circle around and keep an inch extra. Cut it accordingly. The width of it depends on how much you want to extend your length. Facing right sides together, pin it all and close it with a straight stitch. Similarly, do it for the other as well. Cut off the extras and then again facing right sides together like so. Attach it back.
I travel there to the place I
attach it back to the pants with a straight stitch. And you're done.
Finally, my phone fits in it, and I'm so happy with the length I get now, and it's very comfortable.
So let's move to
The last, I really like the color of the shirt, but the sleeves are so short that I even can't completely roll up nicely or keep it like this. It looks so weird to me. So I really have the best idea for it.
I am removing the sleeves from the shirt. You need to also remove the handcuff from it and save it for later. Now take one sleeve and open it completely, iron it, place it on a paper like so and trace it out completely. I am going to extend my sleeves length to the full size. Draw a middle line. From that marking, mark 1.5 inch till here and also here as well, and draw straight line all over it. Start cutting it till up, but do not separate it completely from the top. This is the same method I used in this video before. I didn't cut the last one because it was not connected till the end. Now place it on other paper and spread it equally. Trace it down and connect the bottom line. Cut it and your pattern is ready. Place it on a folded fabric, pin it and cut it out. You will have 2 of these pieces. Make loose stitches here so you can gather it. Start gathering it. It should fit to the size of your cuff. Place it inside your cuff like so and pin it. Close it with a top stitch and similarly do it for the other one as well. Facing right sides together, close it down. For attaching it to the shirt, match the seam lines and pin it down both the sleeves. Close it with a straight stitch. Flip it over and you're done. You can take any shirt and make this outfit. Just find a matching color organza fabric.
This is so beautifully dramatic. I really love them, the way it turned out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the transformation and found it helpful. And if you do, please let me know which one of the transformation was your favorite or found it more helpful in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion transformation, and also to follow me on my Instagram account. And until next time, dream!